I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to adjust your security settings on Squarespace, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website you want to manage. Step 2. Access settings. Once you're in your site's dashboard, look for the settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Go to security. In the settings menu, scroll down and find the security section. Click on it to view your security options. Step 4. Adjust security settings. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. Don't forget to click the save button at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. If you forget this step, your adjustments won't take effect. I hope this guide helps you navigate your security settings easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.